Hey everyone, this is Kellen from electricwheelchairsusa.com. In this video, we want to go over the unboxing of ComfyGo's very popular folding power wheelchair. It's called the IQ-7000. Now the IQ-7000 is an automatic folding power wheelchair. It can fold with a remote control and unfold. There's also a manual folding version, but in this particular power chair, this is the automatic folding version. Also, we have a free catalog that we can send to you. So of our top sellers, just go online, click on free catalog, fill out your information. It takes about 10 days to get to you. Once you've filled that out, you can also call us as well to provide that. Now, before I actually get into this, I want to show you that there is a QR code on the box. And with the QR code, you can scan this, which will show you how to assemble all the ComfyGo products, and it has the user manual. And then on this side, this is where you would register your warranty. So they make it really easy. A lot of brands don't have it on the box as a QR code like that, so it's really nice. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I would make sure you have a sharp knife. So I have one. Don't cut into the box, make sure you cut so you're not cutting into it. I'm just cutting these straps off. All right, so there's actually two straps usually, but this one had one. And then I'm gonna cut this tape. So once you do that, I'll scoot this forward just a little bit and we'll bring the camera over so you can see what's inside here. So right now we have this foam top here, and then everything is inside here. This actually doesn't require much assembly at all. It's pretty much assembled fully. You just need to connect the batteries, and I believe you just put on the cushion. So in order to pull this out, it can be a two-person job. So you can either cut along the sides here of the box and open it up that way, or you can just pull it out. So I'm going to actually show you that. So I'm going to set it on the side here and pull this out. And when I pull this out, I want to make sure that the wheels are going to be on the ground. I don't want to pull it and scratch the top of the chair. And now it's just a matter of removing all the plastic wrap.
Quick announcement, we're giving away a free scooter. Here's how to enter. First, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't already. Next, comment below with your thoughts on this video and you'll be entered automatically. Stay tuned and good luck. Now let's continue with the video.
Another thing to note, I'm going to actually lay this down on the wheels like this. And when you first receive this, it's going to come with the battery not connected. So I had to screw this in. Very easy to do. I can just screw it out to show you. That's how you disconnect. And then here's how you would connect it. And just screw it back on, and now the power supply is connected here. Also, it has anti-tip wheels. They're usually not connected, but they're already installed on here. And then here's the joystick. You can see I can turn this on, but before I unopen this or unfold this, I'm going to set it up and show you right here on the foot plate. There's a storage pouch under here. It's pretty big, like you could probably store like a big purse in here, for example. All right, so it's a zipper pouch. So if I open this, you got your remote. Here's a remote control, and it comes with a set of batteries too. So you can actually operate the power chair with the remote control. So it can be used as an attendant controller, or if you have a condition where it's hard for you to even operate the joystick and put your arm on the armrest and steer it that way, you can hold this, you can hold it against your chest, and you can operate the chair that way. This would be the charger, I believe. So you have the user manual, and this is the charger. ComfyGo also provides you with this toolkit, which is pretty cool. So anything that you might need to adjust anything, they send this with each power chair, which is really nice. And here's your owner's manual. So we'll keep that in here for now. And I'll show you how to operate the chair with this. So let's back out so we're not in the way. I'm going to set this chair on the wheels on the ground, just like that. So I hit this button to unfold it. See how it's flashing? And now I'll hold this up. Now we're unfolding the chair. And I'll set this on here in a second, but I'm going to set this to the side. I'm cutting this carefully. I don't want to cut the cushion. There we go. And then take this off. So there's actually Velcro here. I'll show you this. So you can see there's Velcro right here. And this Velcro attaches to it. So as far as the part that you want to face the front, it would be this part. This would be on the back. So press that down on the Velcro. And then you can see we have some styrofoam protectant here. Obviously, like I said, you can rip it off. I'm just being careful with the packaging on this one. And I think there's one on this side. Yeah, there's one on this side too. Now you can attach the joystick to either side, whether you're left-handed or right-handed. Very easy to do. You can just slide it in right here. And there's a little knob that I want to loosen so it slides in on that track, and then tighten it. There's also a seat belt. Comes standard on it. So we have a seat belt here. This is a calf pad. So there's actually, on this chair, there are 4 different frame colors, and there's 8 different cushion colors. So this is really it's like a calf protector. If you get there's one standard color that's basically the chair without any of this textile cushioning, and it does not have this on it. So it just has just like a regular cushion. There's none of this nice textile. And then as far as this would go up here. Give you more of like this aesthetic look. And that's really it. We have this other part here. You can go on underneath of this. So a couple things about the chair to note is it supports 350 pounds of weight. There's 2 battery options. So there is one battery that is a 13-mile battery range, and that one is airline approved. You can also upgrade to a bigger battery, which is a 19-mile battery range, but that one is not airline approved. So something to keep in mind. So right now, we can fold it and unfold it directly on the remote, or we can fold it directly on the power chair or on the joystick itself. So you can see on the joystick, we have your battery, power supply, your horn. This is your speed control. Top speed on this chair is 4 miles per hour. And then this is your unfold and your fold option. So right now the chair is unfolded, but if you wanted to fold it without the remote, after you turn it off, you want to hold down this button that shows the seat being folded. And you'll see that it has one light here, and then hit the horn button. And that's how you would fold it through the joystick. And really the same thing when you want to unfold it. So if you want to unfold it, hold down this button. That looks like the unfolding seat. You got to do it again. See, it's one dot, hit the horn, and now it'll unfold. A couple other things about the chair I'd like to point out. So with the remote, let me turn this back on. You got to hold it for about 3 or 4 seconds. And now it's flashing. So you can actually, everything that you do on the remote control, you can do directly, everything you do on the joystick, you can do directly on the remote control. So I can adjust the speed control. I can hit the horn on here. Obviously you can operate it directly on here and then fold and unfold directly using this button. Another great thing I like about the remote control, which I think a lot of people would probably agree. So it's not only is it an attendant controller, but a lot of attendant controllers are on the back of the chair. So you're not really with the user. Like if you're a caretaker and you have to control it from the back. With this, you can control it and walk beside of them and talk. So you have more of like a personal connection. Or if you're somebody that has like a condition, like I mentioned previously, like muscular dystrophy or something like that. Some people have trouble using a joystick and controlling it this way. So it takes a little practice to get used to this, but you don't need to use it. You can just operate and hold it at your chest like this, and you can accelerate this way or turn it around. So that's a nice, unique feature that I don't know of anyone else that has anything like this, let alone an automatic folding power wheelchair. There are some automatic folding scooters, but this is the only automatic folding power wheelchair that I'm aware of in the industry. One last thing I'll let you know that I think is really great is there's a lot of storage that comes standard on this. So you have a storage pouch here. There's one here. They have a zipper to secure your belongings. There's a pouch in the back. And the charger is small enough you can put it right in here or in the bottom. And then there's the pouch that I showed you at the beginning, this zipper pouch. And this thing is big enough, you could definitely put like a purse, a decent sized purse in here. One thing to note too, as well, I'll show you, I think this is important. If you purchase this with the airline-approved battery, you do have to take the battery off and bring it on with you. Now, with the automatic folding version of the IQ-7000, you can't fold it unless the battery is plugged in. So what you would have to do is remove the battery from the back here. And there's a little clamp here. It's kind of hard to see, but this little clamp, it actually lines up on this track right here. So once you line it up on the track, it'll secure it into place. So once you do that and take it out, now you can fold it. I'll fold it with the remote control. So now it's folded. And I will take this, I'll unplug this. So now you can bring this on when you bring your on the airline, and then they would check the actual chair itself. Now you can charge the battery directly on the battery pack itself, or you can charge it directly on the joystick like with most power wheelchairs. So this is a really cool feature. I'm gonna plug the power supply back in. All right, so once you plug this back in, you first have to turn the joystick on, which I've done. Now you can use the remote. So I've hit this button at the bottom, and I can hit this, hold this up arrow, which will unfold it. So once you get this back from the airline and you plug in the joystick or plug in the battery, turn the joystick on, now you can unfold it and then slide the battery back into here. You kind of have to get low, just so you know. to make sure it lines up on this track correctly. So something to keep in mind. There we go. So now it's secured into place. I just lined it on that track. So now I'll turn around with the remote, and you know, all in all, it's really a great power wheelchair. It's reasonably priced. A lot of these brands that have these power wheelchairs now, they're creeping up in price, and ComfyGo does a great job of keeping this at an affordable price. One thing to note too, if you want to try this chair at no risk to you, we offer a 7-day free trial on all of the ComfyGo folding power wheelchairs. The way it works is you would purchase this chair like you normally would. Once you receive it, make sure you keep all the packaging, and you can try it in your home for 7 days. Don't take it outside. You have to try it inside your home to make sure it fits you correctly, make sure you can ride around, you're comfortable using it. And if you don't like it for any reason, after 7 days, just give us a call. We'll send you a prepaid return label. You can send it back, and then once it's received, we'll refund you 100%. So there's no risk in trying this. If you have any questions about this power wheelchair or any of ComfyGo's products, give us a call. Our phone number is 1-800-682-9444, or just visit us at electricwheelchairsusa.com. Thanks so much for watching. You guys have a great day.